Let me just start off by saying that cleaning out the refrigerator is probably my least favorite thing to do next to vacuuming stairs. I absolutely hate it. I find it to be very overwhelming, very messy. You pretty much end up messing up your entire kitchen from getting everything out. So I've been putting it off. I've been putting it off so long that I actually have leftovers in here from Easter, which is absolutely disgusting. So pretty much everything in here right now is actually garbage. So we're just gonna clean all that out first.
And if you love me, but you never let me go. When the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Roof was on, let me love, boy, what you know. Roof was on, let me love, without ever letting you know. Roof was on, let me love.
Anthony really wants to show you our bacon and his lunchbox, so that is what he's showing you right there. He's very proud of both of those. I just like to clean it shelf by shelf. I feel like it makes it a little less overwhelming, and I'm just using my Miss Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the scent rose, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe each shelf down. Next, I'm just going to take my vacuum hose and vacuum out all the crumbs that are left in there.
And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Rufus, boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Rufus, boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Rufus, boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Without ever letting you know. Caught up in my teeth. Caught up in my teeth. Tastes like money when I speak. Caught up in my teeth. And I missed you in the basement. Yeah, caught up in my teeth. Bodies on the pavement. Oh. And if you love me, but you never let me go. And the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry.
Next, I'm just going to do the same thing with the shelves and wipe everything down one by one.
And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Rufus, boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Rufus, boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Rufus, boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you saw. Without ever letting you know.
And finally, it is all nice and clean. As you can see, we clearly need to go grocery shopping, so that's what I'm going to go do. And then we'll fill up the fridge. And this is everything that I ended up getting. I'm always curious about what other people get when they go grocery shopping, so I thought I'd just show everyone what we usually get. This is pretty standard for us. I'm trying to only go like every week and a half or so. It's really hard though, because I feel like we run out of food so quickly, especially having two little ones that are always wanting snacks and stuff. So hopefully I won't have to go for a while. And our freezer was actually just recently cleaned out, and it's filled with a lot of meat and like frozen vegetables, so that is why you don't see me cleaning it out.
Still dream of the love so true. dream of other people when they're with you. Ooh, yeah, you got my heartbeat thundering. You got me thinking our love is coming to an end. And I always, always, always let you back in. Tell me why. Tell me why. Why do you always confuse my American?
As I said before, I absolutely hate cleaning out the refrigerator, but it is so nice to open it up and see everything nice and organized and clean. So I hope that this inspires and motivates you to get your refrigerator cleaned out.
You got my